Okay, so I've had this problem for a while. It's been driving me crazy. All the buttons on my CD player work except for the open button. It doesn't open the CD player so I can get the DVD out or the CD, but every other button works fine. And I've just found a way to get the discs out without needing to use this button. See now, if you press the tilt button so that it comes out as far as it can, you can gently pull it back yourself, but the eject buttons still don't work, so there's still no way to get the disc out. Now what I've just found out is if you hold it down so that when you take the key out of the ignition it doesn't go back in by itself. Now remove the key, the screen will go off, but don't let the screen go back up. Be careful because you don't want to break the motor or break any of the fittings. So now it's like this, but it's still, the ignition's out. Turn the key into the, but don't start the engine. Hold it back down like this. Now the screen will still be off, but now the eject buttons work and you can take the discs out like this. I'll change the disc.
Connected.
And the CD player will give you a few beeps to tell you that you're a bad person for doing this. And put it back into its normal position. Ignition off. Ignition back on. And it'll come back on. Now this point the screen does work. The volume works, but the screen doesn't.
Connected.
So off. Key on. And the screen works again. So you can do this if you've got your disc stuck, or if you've got a CD stuck in, or if you just want to change the disc, get a disc out, or just put a new disc in. I don't know. It's just a way to get around that little problem.